Hell no.
This is the E train, part of the 8th Avenue line. The following fleet for this line is number R160s. The E starts from the entrance of World Trade Center, then the E meets up with the ANC at Canal Street. The E then teams up with the C, making local stops all the way to 42nd Street Port Authority Bus Terminal. The E splits with the ANC at 50th Street, then the E leaves the ANC behind to go to the 53rd Street line to meet with the M, but not before meeting the B and D at 7th Avenue 53rd Street. Next the M and E and M works together along the 53rd Street tunnel to Court Square 23rd Street. Once at Queens Plaza, the E goes express while the M and R go local all the way to Forest Hills. Now overnight, the E runs local all the way to Jamaica Center, helping out the R. But this is one of the headaches. The E had to stop halfway to 36th Street to wait for the F train coming from the 63rd Street tunnel. Next, the E runs express, making stops between Jackson Heights Wilson Avenue and again at Forest Hills 71st Avenue. The E leaves the M and R behind to either go express to Kill Gardens Union Turnpike or make a local stop to 75th Avenue. Once at Kill Gardens, the E has two choices. If it's rush hours, the E will go express past Briarwood to Jamaica 179th Street along with the F line, or the E will make its own way, make a stop at Briarwood, headed over the Archer Avenue line by itself to Jamaica Center. The E is a short ride to Jamaica Center with 20 stops, 32 if it's overnight, and they sometimes do make it on time, but this goes its bad moments. If a signal or track work needs to be fixed, the E will make all local stops, which is a headache because you got the M if it's on the weekday, the R and the F showing the same local track, creating a headache along the Queens riders. The second headache will be homeless people taking residence along the line. Some of them who haven't seen soap and water in years. But I'm not bashing homeless people. They don't have a choice in the matter. And this is not serious for that moment on that subject anyway. I will go over the history, but like the A line, there will be a separate series for this line since the history is very long. But a fun fact, the E train's original final stop was Jamaica 179th Street. If you visit that station, you'll see an orange and blue towers representing the two lines. And the G and N was supposed to be the last stop at Jamaica Center, but again, that's for another series. Overall, the E train is a honey vinegar relationship. One side, people don't like the line because of the homeless, possible delays, and local stops, if anything. If it even goes long, I should say, along the Queens Boulevard line. On the other side, it's a good route with decent transfer and services to JFK Airport via L train at Sutton Boulevard. So the E gets a 4 out of 5. And as usual, if I missed anything, comment below and tell me what you think or what I missed. Until then, this is Shadow signing off. See you in the next review.
Thank you for visiting Shadow Productions. If you like what you saw, click on any of these items to subscribe or for more content. See you next time.